How to fix camera problems on Samsung Galaxy M13. Samsung Galaxy M13 camera problems solutions. This phone has a large 6.6-inch LCD screen with full HD resolution. To take any photos and videos, it has real triple cameras at the rear side of the body with 50 MP f1.8 for wide, 5 MP f2 for 1 to 3 degree ultra wide angle, and the last camera is 2 MP f2.4 for bokeh blur effect. It has a single front camera of 8 megapixels. The camera is powered by Exynos 850 image signal processor, and we will get a sharp image, accurate white balance, noise reduction, and great image enhancement. The front and rear cameras can't record 4K movies, but they're good enough to get a full HD 1080p movie at 30 fps with either the front or rear cameras. Some users are having issues with Samsung Galaxy M13 camera failing or error. These are some solutions to fix Samsung Galaxy M13 problems: keep stopping and hanging, screen backup, or some other issues. Fix warning camera failure in Samsung Galaxy M13. When we want to use the camera, it shows the camera warning error, which makes it stuck or stopped. Many users reported this error. However, some issues are caused by crashing apps, so we suggest closing all recent apps. Resetting the camera apps to factory defaults also helps clean all caches. Please follow some steps. Why is the Samsung Galaxy M13 camera slow or sluggish? We need to use good camera apps to get better photos and videos. Samsung Galaxy M13 already has Samsung camera apps installed with Android 12 OS. However, some users respond slowly when opening Samsung camera apps or get laggy while taking photos or recording videos. Why did this problem occur? Slow camera response is often caused by insufficient RAM. This phone has 4 GB of RAM, which is not too large for multitasking. Please make sure the phone's RAM is not low when we want to take some photos. What will happen when the RAM is not enough? If we open many apps before taking photos, we will wait a while to switch between the last apps to the camera software because of the memory management working in the background. If we want to take a photo or record a video smoothly, it's better to soft reset, or reboot your Samsung Galaxy M13 first before working for a serious photo or video. HOWTOFIX Samsung Galaxy M13 camera problems. There are other possibilities that can make your Samsung Galaxy M13 slow or lag. The software or firmware version can also make our camera apps slow, unresponsive, lag. Please follow some steps below to fix and improve Samsung Galaxy M13 camera performance. Step 1. Reset Samsung Galaxy M13 to factory defaults using camera setting menu. Fix lag. Find the Samsung Camera app icon and open or launch these apps. Click or tap on the setting icon, gear icon. Click or tap the general icon. Choose reset and the app will ask if we confirm the reset with yes or no, then choose yes. Don't worry, because all the photos or videos taken from this phone will not be removed or erased while doing these steps. It will just restore all camera settings back to factory defaults. Solutions for Samsung Galaxy M13 camera version A and D recovery procedures. Step 2. Reset Samsung Galaxy M13 to factory defaults using setup menu. Make it faster. This is the alternate process that can work for all Android smartphones, especially Samsung Galaxy smartphone. We will use the default setting to reset apps with the following steps. Turn on the Samsung Galaxy M13 smartphone. Go to the Setup menu. Choose Apps. Choose the Camera app. On the Camera Application Info page, please find and select the Storage menu. In the camera storage, we will see the used space. At the bottom, choose and tap the Clear Data icon. When asked for confirmation, please select OK. Then, the Samsung Galaxy M13 app will restore back to factory default setting. This process is also safe anytime we want or when the camera starts to work abnormally, because all the photos or videos taken from this phone will not be erased or deleted while doing these steps. It will just restore all camera settings back to factory defaults. Third step, install the dedicated alternative camera apps on your Samsung Galaxy M13. If our phone camera still can't properly, we also suggest installing alternative third-party camera apps from Google Play Store. There are many camera apps that can work on Samsung Galaxy M13 with many other features. We can try something like Open Camera or some other free camera app. But please make sure to choose highly rated camera apps, because there are also some new or not so popular fake camera apps with bad performance. Step 4. Try to search for new firmware upgrade to fix Samsung Galaxy M13 camera issues. Camera problems are sometimes caused by firmware issues or software bugs. So we have to try to find our latest firmware version using OTA over-the-air facility. Updating to the new firmware usually fixes camera issues. Step 5. Do a hard reset to factory defaults when all steps don't work to fix Samsung Galaxy M13. Camera issues can mainly be fixed with 2 steps from the options above. However, if camera issues still occur, we need to continue with other solutions by performing a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy M13. This process will remove all your installed apps, data, photos and videos. So we have to back up all data before doing this operation. Please be careful, because these steps will remove all data including installed apps and video images. Back up our phone before doing a factory reset or resetting it to factory defaults. Follow these steps to perform a factory reset or reformat your Samsung Galaxy M13 through the security procedure. How to fix camera problems on Samsung Galaxy M13. How to fix Samsung Galaxy M13 camera autofocus problems or blurry. This phone has an autofocus camera for object sharpening. But in some cases, the autofocus in Samsung Galaxy M13 cannot work properly. We get blurry photos even though we are already focusing on some things. There are many possibilities that can make it difficult to focus. Ensure that the lens is not dirty. We always have to clean Samsung Galaxy M13 camera lens. Dust or small objects stuck in front of the lens will cause the camera to try to focus on that object or dust. Please clean or wipe the camera lens with a soft cloth. Scratch can also make the Samsung Galaxy M13 autofocus not work properly, and it will try to focus on that scratch or disturb the autofocus performance. A small tiny scratch may not affect our photos, but if the scratch is too big, we will need to replace the camera glass lens with the original one at Samsung Authorized Service Center. The firmware or software version is also important to make autofocus in Samsung Galaxy M13 work faster or smarter. Some versions have reported affecting Samsung Galaxy M13 autofocus or other camera performance. We must always make sure that our firmware version is up to date. Fix warning security policy restrictions on Samsung Galaxy M13 camera. Some users are facing this issue due to various possibilities, but if we have never done any custom mod on our Samsung Galaxy M13, we suggest that you try resetting the default camera app, doing a soft reset or reformatting your phone if the issues still occur. Fix Samsung Galaxy M13 camera issues after Android firmware update. Samsung Galaxy M13 runs on Android 12. There is some OTA firmware upgrade to fix some bugs and improve performance. However, some users are experiencing camera issues or front camera issues on their Samsung Galaxy M13 after a firmware upgrade. Please try resetting the camera apps to default. If the issues persist, please try a factory reset to the default settings. Don't forget to back up all important data before performing a factory reset.